Alright, we are about to my house. Got some people lined up. We're gonna light this long. And now we run. There we go. Hey! Can't get too close, holy crap. There's my sister. Go, Jessica. That's my sister right there. Say hi, Jessica. Happy New Year! Ah, they're hitting me again. Ow! Still going. Still going. Ah, hurt. Damn. Oh! Jessica, say hi again. Happy New Year! Woo! Oh, and it's finally, oh, never mind. And that's finally done with. Back to my sister. Whew. That was fun. Very, very fun. Keep it on, Jessica. This is spinning, Jessica, like spin around slowly. Woo! Do that. Whoa! Look at my sister, Pyromaniac, right there. Careful. Woo! Let's go over here. Show them like how much we've used. I need light. All right there. This is everything. Come over here, Jessica. Closer. Right there. Look at all that we've burned. Back. All right, come on, Jessica. Woo! I'm gonna keep going till these burn out. I think that's all our fireworks left. Is these three. What you call it? Sparklers, yeah. Some big ones too, so they'll last a while. Whew. Happy New Year to everyone out there. Everyone I can make, tell you guys Happy New Year if you see this video. Happy New Year to all of you. Whew, man. That's a fun, that's a fun. All the neighbors causing a ruckus, we got a gun shooting. Ooh, that's not good. Happy New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo. 2008 is done with. This is 09 now. One more, Jessica. About 300.
Done!
Yeah! Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Whoa!
Say it.
Happy New Year!
Yeah! I'll have to burn